Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a look using the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette. Yay! I love this palette. It has all my favorite colors in it. Who doesn't love this? Like, for real. Oh my god. But anyway, stay tuned and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe. So let's get started. First, what I do is I start doing my eyebrows using this. But yeah, next thing I do is I add concealer to make them look nice. So I am going to actually start off by priming my eyelids because I didn't do that earlier. And I'm just using my concealer. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. The next color I'm going to use is this color right here. I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm actually going to go in with this color right here. And I'm just going to add that in my outer V. And then actually for all over the eyelid, I am going to use this color right here. And I'm just gonna add it right there. actually from one of the very first palettes that she came out with, so I actually don't think that she has these out anymore. I'm just adding that to my waterline, and I'm gonna go and blend it out with my eyeshadow in a minute. Like that. So I'm just gonna grab this brush. And I'm actually gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm just gonna add that to my waterline as well, and just blend everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and add mascara, do my foundation, my contour, my highlight, brush, everything, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I see you on the next one. Bye.